Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Instagram time for a scroll break, pause for a moment and consider taking a break. Load more post problem in Instagram app. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open your Instagram app. Click on profile picture. Again click on 3 line or horizontal line. Scroll down, click on time management, tap on daily time limit. Turn off daily time limit. You can follow all of the steps to fix Instagram time for a scroll break problem or Instagram home feed scroll breaking problem solved. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.